Hello, this is my QR code demonstration for ENME Ford 89Y. These days there are two things primarily on people's mind. It's time management and health. And lately, like many, I've been struggling with both because I keep forgetting to take my vitamins. So for that reason, here's a little demonstration of how QR codes and the Raspberry Pi can help with that. We will start off with a brief description of the hardware setup. Over here are the pill bottles that we will be using. Each one of these has a QR code containing information about each bottle's respective contents and dosages. Over here are the Raspberry Pi and the Pi camera, both mounted onto a base. The Pi camera will be used to scan the QR codes, and the Raspberry Pi will also be driving the stepper motor here. So it can indicate, as shown in the big picture, the dosage for each pill bottle. So here's a brief demonstration of my script working. As you can see on the VNC screen, the QR code detector to the right is providing us a live video feed. On the hardware here, the dose indicator is showing the dial on reset, meaning that no dosages have been recommended yet. So now we're going to test the QR scanner based on my vitamin bottle right here. Let's see what it does. So it changed the dial to recommend me 2 gummies as the dosage. It showed me this as well on the command prompt right here. And in addition to that, it will also send me a text notification reminding me that yes, I did take this dosage today and I don't have to worry about it for the rest of the day. And it also let me know what day it is. Now I will go ahead and test this out on my echinacea bottle, which has a recommended dosage of 1. And I will scan the QR code. It'll show me the dosage, turn the indicator, and I will receive a text in approximately 20 seconds. The first large section of the code is shown on the right here. It is the setup. It consisted of importing packages, initiating stepper motor information about the pins and step states as shown in this array here. It also involved preset angles for each dosage amount and kept track of the current angle of the stepper motor as well as the state of each pin, and also included the Twilio client information needed for sending out a text message. The second big portion of the script involved the stepper motor functions. The first function, as shown here, angle to steps, takes in a requested angle and converts it into the number of steps the stepper motor will have to take to get to that position. And as you can see here, this is just a small function to use microsecond delays instead of second delays to improve the resolution of the stepper motor. Down here, you'll find a function that will take in the dosage amount acquired through the QR code processing, which will return the desired angle for the stepper motor to indicate the right dosage on the board. Here is the main body of the code. It starts by loading in the Pi camera driver and opening up a video stream. It will then use OpenCV to check each frame of the video stream for a QR code. If QR code data is detected, it will then fall into this if loop shown here, where it will break up the data string of the QR code into the pill contents and the dosage for that bottle. It will print this information on the command prompt and will also actuate a motor according to what dosage is given. Based on the dosage, a corresponding angle will be sent to the stepper motor functions, and 30 seconds will be given for the user to look at the dosage and take the corresponding dosage. After the user takes their dosage, Twilio will then send a notification to the user, letting them know that they've taken the dosage, they don't have to worry about it, or wonder if they forgot to take it throughout the day. Then the if loop will break, and the Raspberry Pi will continue on checking for QR codes. Thank you.